everyone! Welcome to NovaMathics. Today we'll solve new division challenges and join Ethan on his next magical math story. Are you ready? Let's go! Part 1 Quiz. Let's go! Part 2. Story time! Let's go!
Ethan stood before the glowing cave. Cold air brushed his face as he stepped inside, holding his little lantern. The walls shimmered with blue crystals shaped like numbers. A deep voice echoed, "Only those who master division may pass." Ethan took a breath and smiled. "Let's see what you've got." A bat fluttered near the wall and squeaked. "There are 48 gems divided into 8 clusters." "How many gems per cluster?" Ethan thought and said, 48 divided by 8 equals 6. "Correct," said the bat. "You see through the dark like a true explorer." Ethan walked deeper as the floor sparkled beneath his steps. Tiny glowing stones floated up like fireflies guiding his way. From behind a rock, a crystal owl hooted. "I have 54 feathers divided into 9 wings. How many feathers on each wing?" Ethan smiled. 54 divided by 9 equals 6. The owl nodded. Wise and quick. Ethan touched the wall. It lit up with glowing 6s. He realized each correct answer brightened the cave. A silver toad croaked beside a stream of light. "There are 42 drops of light divided into 7 bowls. How many drops per bowl?" Ethan said, 42 divided by 7 equals 6. The toad laughed, balanced as the ripples in the stream. He continued walking. The stream turned into a path of reflection. A golden snake slithered from a crack. 56 golden rings divided among 8 guards. How many rings each? Ethan said, 56 divided by 8 equals 7. "Right," hissed the snake. "You divide with precision." He smiled. "Math isn't magic. It's logic with a glow." A crystal bat swooped down. 49 shards divided into 7 nests. How many shards per nest? Ethan, 49 divided by 7 equals 7. "Perfect," said the bat, flying upward. "You're mastering the numbers of the cave." The sound of wings echoed like gentle claps of approval. Then a silver bell rang. A spirit in robes appeared and said, "There are 63 sparks shared among 9 torches. How many each?" Ethan, 63 divided by 9 equals 7. The spirit bowed. "You bring balance to the flame." He moved forward. A blue flame hovered to light his path. A mirror on the wall shimmered and spoke. 64 crystals divided into 8 piles. How many in each pile? Ethan, 64 divided by 8 equals 8. The mirror glowed. "Your reflection grows stronger." He smiled and touched his lantern. It shone brighter than before. A hidden door opened. Inside stood a small fox made of glass. 72 orbs divided into 9 jars. How many per jar? Ethan, 72 divided by 9 equals 8. "Nicely done," said the fox. "Your path continues deeper." Ethan followed as the fox vanished into light. Another voice called, 63 stars divided into 7 constellations. How many stars each? Ethan, 63 divided by 7 equals 9. "Brilliant," the voice cheered. Stars appeared on the ceiling, lighting up like candles in the sky. A cold breeze passed. A shadow whispered, 72 flames divided into 8 lanterns. How many flames in each? Ethan, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. The lanterns flared up in a golden glow. The whisper turned into gentle laughter. Then a door of symbols appeared. It read, "Solve or stay forever." 54 stones divided into 6 paths. How many stones per path? Ethan. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. The door slid open with a humming sound. Ethan stepped through and saw glowing stairs. At the top sat a calm, ancient turtle. 45 drops of water divided into 9 shells. How many per shell? Ethan. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. Correct, said the turtle. You walk with patience. Farther ahead, a breeze whispered another riddle. 72 sparks divided into 6 rays. How many sparks per ray? Ethan smiled. 72 divided by 6 equals 12. The air shimmered with light. Then from a golden pool came a soft hum, 66 ripples divided into 6 circles. How many ripples each? Ethan. 66 divided by 6 equals 11. The pool formed the number 11 in glowing ripples. A crystal bridge appeared. A blue butterfly landed on Ethan's hand and asked, 42 lights divided into 6 crystals. How many per crystal? Ethan. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. The butterfly flapped once and became a beam of light. 56 stars divided into 7 skies. How many stars each? Ethan. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. The skies above the cave lit up in bright harmony. He felt the mountain humming alive with numbers. Another gate shimmered ahead. 81 echoes divided into 9 caves. How many per cave? Ethan. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. Perfect, the gate said, opening with a deep rumble. Finally, a silver crystal rose from the ground. It asked softly, 63 rays divided into 9 crystals. How many per crystal? Ethan. 63 divided by 9 equals 7. The crystal glowed and turned into a radiant path. Ethan followed the path until sunlight appeared ahead. He stepped out of the cave and looked back. The mountain shone behind him, calm, balanced, and complete. He smiled and said, "Division isn't just math, it's how the world shares its light." The wind carried his words away as the cave sealed itself in peaceful silence.
Yay! You did it! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and join NovaMathics for more fun math stories.